Hey guys, how's it going? Today in this video is going to be the second video of the DuckyScript tutorials where I'm going to show you a DuckyScript that opens up PowerShell and searches your whole entire system for all your installed applications and puts that output as a text file that you can later go look into and investigate. So let's get started. Alright, next we're going to go string and we're going to do get minus WMI object. And what this does is retrieves management information about Windows-based systems. Alright, so after we have that done, we're going to put a pipe. Alright, so I have Notepad opened up and my payload.dd folder opened on my bad USB. And the first thing I'm going to do is a window lowercase x. I'm sorry, R. And what this is going to do is the window key and R simultaneously opens up your run dialog. So after I have my run dialog open, I'm going to put a delay in. Make sure the system is ready for some more inputs. And then I'm going to do a string. And this is going to type into my run dialog PowerShell. So it's going to open up PowerShell for me. And then we're going to do an enter. And then we're going to delay again for a second just to make sure our system's ready for us for our next command. Alright, after we have that, we're going to do minus class, and we're going to do win32 underscore capital P product. And what this is going to do is we're going to specify the class of WMI objects to retrieve, so all of our installed applications. Alright, next we're going to put a pipe in, and we're going to do select object property name is greater than installed programs.txt. And what this is going to do is it's going to select the name, property of each installed application, and save it to a text file called installedprograms.txt. Alright, we are next going to throw in one more delay for half a second and enter. And this should execute now. So we're going to go ahead and save it. And we're going to plug our bad USB back in and we're going to see what happens. So one quick thing so we can find this text document, installedprograms.txt, after we save it. So what we can do is we can open up our file explorer and find a folder we want to save it to. So this is just a folder that we saved our last hello worlds we made in our last video to. So to copy the text, we can just come here and click copy the path, and then the output we can just paste the path here and we can throw it in some commas or quotations, sorry. And now that will save that file to my folder right here, so we know where it will be once we run my bad USB. So let's plug this bad USB in now and see what happens. Alright, let's close this PowerShell out. Let's open up this text document that I saved, and we can see all of our installed applications on here now. So This is just a quick video showing you guys a quick DuckyScript that opens up PowerShell and saves a text document of all your installed applications. And this can go a lot farther, and I will go a lot farther and show you more videos, showing you more in-depth tutorials, showing you different things you can do with DuckyScripts, because again, DuckyScripts and rubber duckies aren't just for hacking. They can be used in IT settings in the professional world and help you give you an advantage over your coworkers and teammates. So yeah, like I just said, DuckyScripts can be used in the IT world for a bunch of different things, not just hacking. It can help streamline processes that would otherwise be annoying, like searching a whole entire directory for a certain application, where you could just plug this in and instantly get a list of applications installed on that computer. And there's a bunch of ways to streamline other processes with rubber ducky scripts, and I'm excited to show you guys how to do that in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching this one.